Hey friends! Today I've brought a short video on how to do the parameter settings of our UTC-4202G temperature controller. We'll quickly see its wiring, how to select sensor type, how to use soak mode, and how to configure both Relay 1 and Relay 2. First, let's talk about the connections. On the back side, terminals 1 and 2 we have given phase, line, and neutral here. This is the power supply for the instrument. Terminals 3, 4, and 5, these are for Relay 1 output. Terminals 6 and 7, these are for the SSR output. On the other side, terminals 11 and 12, this is the second relay output, Relay 2. Terminals 8, 9, and 10, these are the sensor input terminals. Here you can connect J-type thermocouple, K-type thermocouple, or PT100 RTD sensor. For this demo, we have connected a PT100 sensor. The red wire of PT100 is connected to terminal 8. The two white wires are connected to terminals 9 and 10. For Relay 1 wiring in our demo, we've taken line and looped it to the common C of Relay 1 using a small wire link. From the no terminal, the red wire goes to an LED. From the LED, the black wire goes back to neutral. So whenever Relay 1 turns on, our LED will glow. Now, when we power on the controller, the display looks like this. On the top, you see the present value, PV, the current temperature. On the bottom, you see the set value, SV, your set point. By default, you may see J-type as the sensor, but we will change it to PT100 from the settings. This controller has two relay outputs, so we can configure both Relay 1 and Relay 2 from the parameters. To go into the parameter settings, press and hold the set key until pass appears. The password is 73. All controllers in this temperature controller series use 73 as the password. Once you enter 73, press set again to go inside the main parameter menu. Sensor type. First, you will see the sensor type. Since we have connected a PT100, we will select PT100 here. Use the arrow keys to choose PT100 and press set. Output type. Next, you'll see output type, SSR, relay, or both. Select what you need. In many cases, we use SSR for fast control or both if we want SSR plus relay. Press set. Relay 1 mode, heat, cool, alarm. Now you get Relay 1 mode selection. You can use Relay 1 as heating control, cooling control, or as an alarm output. Select as per your application and press set. Soak mode enable. Soak is equal to yes, no. Next, the controller will ask about soak mode. If you need soak time, set this to yes. If you don't want the soak function, you can keep it no. For now, we'll keep it as yes to understand the feature. Press set. Soak time direction, SKPS, SKRG. You'll see options like SKPS and SKRG. SKPS, soak time runs in the forward direction, counts up. SKRG, soak time runs in the reverse direction, counts down. Example. If you set soak time is equal to 10 minutes. In SKRG, once the set point is reached, the timer will show 10, 9, 8, down to 0. Select whichever you prefer and press set. Soak time unit, sec, min, R. Next, it asks for the soak time unit, seconds, minutes, or hours. Choose the unit in which you want to set your soak duration. Press set. Next is memory. If you keep yes, soak completion and status will be stored. If you keep no, and you want to restart the process, you can press and hold enter for 5 seconds and the sequence will restart. Press set. Now you'll see a parameter related to end behavior, whether after soaking, end, appears and the value should be saved or not. If you choose save, once the soak is complete, you'll have to power cycle the instrument to restart the full process. If you choose no, you can restart by long pressing enter. Press set again. The next parameter is control action. PID, on-off, or time proportional, TP. If you select on-off, you'll also need to set the hysteresis, differential, value for proper switching. Now we move to Relay 2 settings. Because we have soak mode is equal to yes, Relay 2 will be mainly used as an alarm relay. You can set Relay 2 as alarm or off. Press set. Alarm type. Next, you'll see different types of alarm logic. For example, high alarm, low alarm, absolute low, absolute high, in-band alarm, absolute out of band, out-band plus low, etc. You can choose according to whether you want alarm above, below, or outside a band. Press set. Alarm time. Here you set the alarm time. If you set it to 0, the alarm relay will stay on continuously as long as the alarm condition is true. Press set. Alarm lower limit, SLL. Now you can set the lower limit for the alarm. Press set. Alarm higher limit, SHL. Next, you can set the higher limit for the alarm. Press set again to move ahead. Now, if we go back and turn soak time to no, the options slightly change. When soak is equal to no, you'll again get modes for Relay 2, heat, cool, or alarm. For example, if you want both relays for heating or one for heating and one for cooling, you can configure that here. If I set Relay 2 is equal to heat and press set, we now get the set 2 mode. There are two choices, individual or relative. In individual mode, set 2 appears separately on the front. You can set Relay 2 set point independent of set 1. In relative mode, set 2 is relative to set 1 and is not shown separately on the main screen, but the offset is stored internally. For example, inside, we keep set 2 offset is equal to +3. On the main screen, if set 1 is equal to 100 degrees Celsius, then actual set 2 is equal to 103 degrees Celsius. If later we change set 1 to 110 degrees Celsius, then set 2 automatically becomes 113 degrees Celsius. So set 2 always tracks set 1 with that offset. This is very useful when you want a blower or second stage heater to follow the main temperature but always slightly above or below it. Press set again. Relay 2 delay, RTDL. Next, you will see something like RTDL, which is Relay 2 delay time. This is helpful, especially when Relay 2 operates a compressor or a heavy load. You can set a delay so that, for example, Relay 2 turns on only after a certain time once the condition is met. Press enter to save and exit. Now, in our demo, we have Relay 1 wired with an LED. Relay 2 is currently in off, idle mode. Thank you.